What a beautiful day it turned out to be for 4th of July. We've had terrible storms the last few days. And today the sun came out. Look at those beautiful blue skies. And we're at the pool. Not too crowded today. Not too hot. Just right. So we're going to spend the afternoon here. And then we're going to head home. And Scott is going to barbecue some steak and sausage. And I think it's going to be a beautiful day. This water is so crystal clear. It's unbelievable. I just love it here. You see in the background there's a brick building. That's a little snack bar with umbrellas and tables and umbrellas all around it. Kids love this big slide. Then there's a different kind of water slide over there in the background. I'll show you later. There's a beautiful park with other things kids can do there. And there's plenty of chairs. You don't have to bring your own. I'm going to swing around here. And you can't see behind these umbrellas and tents, but there's probably another 100 lounge chairs back there. This is sort of the kiddie end of the pool here. I'm standing in the kiddie end. And there's some things there for the kids. So let me go find out where Scott and Lucas are. I'll be right back. Oh, there's Scott and Lucas in the pool. How's the water? Cold? Oh, it's good. Oh, Lucas, the water nice? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, Lucas, you're gonna wet my camera. Happy 4th of July, Scott. Look at Lucas. He's a little fish. He loves it here. Hey, Lucas, you gonna show me how you do a handstand? He's getting to be a pro at this. Go ahead.
I can't do it here.
Oh, you have to go a little deeper? Okay. Here he goes, the little fish. Come on. Whoa, good one. Excellent. Lucas, that was a perfect 10. Good job.
Now I got it.
You got it.
I'm the one hand.
Hey, Dad, can you do a handstand? No. Well, I'm going to go put this camera away so I can do a little swimming. Here. But I got to tell you, it's just beautiful. We joined this year, and I couldn't be happier. It's great.
That's cool.
There goes Lucas in that bright green shirt, heading up the stairs to go down, down, down the slide. I'm going to catch him when he gets to the bottom. Lucas is up at the top. He's going to be coming down next. Here he goes. Woo! There he is. All right.
Giveaway is Terry Lyle.
Who is it?
Terry Lyle.
Terry Lyle. Well, what do we say to Terry Lyle?
Congratulations,
Terry Lyle won the VONT kitchen scale. Congratulations, Terry. My email address is in the description box of my videos. Email me the name and the address where the company can mail the scale to you, and the VONT company will mail it to you direct. So, tell me again, who's the winner of the giveaway?
Terry Lyle.
Terry Lyle, yay!